This is a little bit of a side project. It was a black Squire from 1999. This comes out of the Yako factory, which is in China. These things, have pretty good necks in them. The pickups were just a disaster, noisy as all get out, really microphonic. I left them in and I wax potted them, so they're a lot less microphonic now. And I replaced the bridge with a large block bridge, and I painted it Smurf blue. So, and then I added one of my own string trees instead of the cheap metal things that came with them. But I particularly like the headstock on these things. So it's a pretty neat little guitar now, after going through it. So.